In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate your folktale story, the image prompt, and how you can use the image prompt in generating your images for your African folktale story. So if you are the type that is interested in this video, do well to watch to the end and make sure to watch every step-by-step process. So yeah, without any further delay, I'm going to be trying as much as possible to give this video a detailed explanation for easy understanding. So yeah, stick to the video to the very end and make sure you understand every process I'm going to be explaining in this video. So yeah, the first thing we are going to be doing is generating both our story and the image prompt with Char GPT. Getting to Char GPT is nothing hard. Just input into the search bar on your browser, open AI, or into the search bar you input 𝗪𝗪𝗪gpt.com. So yeah, and you are going to be getting to the page here. So once you've gotten to the page, the next thing for you is to message Char GPT. So looking down here, you can see the box where we have the pointer blinking. So this is the box you are going to be using. So yeah, I'm going to put in the prompt I have available for this. So my prompt said I want a realistic African story of a action. I want is a realistic African story full of action and interesting. Make the English simple, straightforward for easy understanding, and the story use the title upon the nice man and his wicked people. Make the story on 1,000 words long and 60 paragraphs. So yeah, and I'm going to be sending this to Char GPT, and after you've sent this to Char GPT, just with Char GPT we handle the work. So just with why the work is being handled. While watching this video, like the video so that the algorithm can push it to more viewers who may also be interested in content like this and who wants to also know how they can easily generate the prompt for their image and generate their images for their folktale. Like, subscribe on the channel and put on the notification bell so you can see Char GPT is still generating, so you just have to wait for a few minutes. So yeah, you can see it is still generating. So yeah, you can see that. So you just have to wait for some minutes and the AI is going to undo the generation of the image. So yeah, after the story has been generated like this, the story for creating the folktale has been generated like this. The next thing is to tell Char GPT to use this same story to generate for us the prompt for generating the image we are going to be using. So yeah, I'm going to be inputting into a box, generate 1,000 image prompt for the story. Please make sure to make the image prompt accurate, creative, short, and numbered for every scene. So yeah, I'm going to send this to Char GPT, and just like it has generated for us, the story is going to generate for us the prompt for generating the image as well. So you can see. So you just have to wait while it is being generated. So yeah, it generated us this. So yeah, you can see Char GPT has just generated us this. So after generating us with this prompt for generating the image, we've just finished the first step to creating our folktale. This is just the first step. The story is ready. The prompt is ready. We are moving next to generating the image for the story. So you can see this is amazing, super amazing. It is easy generating your story, generating your prompt, generating the prompt for the generation of your image. So yeah, the next thing I'm going to do is copy this. Let's start with the first one, which is going to be the first scene of the story. So I will copy the first one, and I'm going to move to 𝗪𝗲𝗧. So yeah, 𝗪𝗲𝗧 is the AI we are going to be using for the generation of the image. So yeah, I'm going to input this, generate a realistic image of, then I will put the prompt we've generated. Generate a realistic image of 𝗪𝗏𝗦 standing in his small thatched roof hut, tending his garden at dawn. Then I'm going to send this to 𝗪𝗲𝗧, and we just have to wait for some minutes, and 𝗪𝗲𝗧 is going to generate for us amazing realistic image. So you can see this 𝗪𝗲𝗧. If you look at this, if you look at the first, the third, and the fourth image, you can see it is the same thing. So this is the same thing. So yeah, you can see this is just for the first scene. So you can now go to the story again and copy for the second prompt a close-up of 𝗪𝗏𝗦 planting yams and maize in his garden. So we can just copy this, and then input into this, and I'm going to put in generate a realistic image of 𝗪𝗏𝗦, of a close-up of 𝗪𝗏𝗦 planting yams and maize in his garden. And I will tell the AI to make sure the image character looks just like that of the first image, and send this. And we are going to be waiting. You can see we are waiting for it to be generated. So yeah, you can just see this. You can see the same dress on the first image generated is the same as the one here. If you should look at this image carefully, look at this carefully. So yeah, if you should look at this carefully and look at this as well, look at this man as well, bending, planting, you can see it is just the same thing. So this is just the step you are going to be following. You're going to be following. Copy the prompt, input it here to generate using 𝗪𝗲𝗧, and within some few steps you will be done generating the prompt for the story. You will be done generating the prompt for the image, and as well you will be done generating the images. And that being done, you are done with the generation of anything. Then you are going to move to the next step, creating your folktale. I believe this video has really helped you, showing you how you can generate your folktale story, showing you how you can generate the images, the prompt for the image. Please, if you find this helpful, do work to like this video so that the algorithm can push it to more viewers who may also be interested in a video like this. And as well, subscribe on the YouTube channel and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing videos. Thanks for watching.